You come at people yard and beg food. You come at people yard and beg food.
People like you make a Jamaica close, we say we not live no life here.
That's how who?
Your friend, but come on, you know what say, you don't want nobody say $30. Dana,
I will me want, I will me feel
me put it in your freezer now.
Put it in a freezer. Carry over here that I know Christmas yet.
Why you nasty me? That's who me can't dress up me and myself, you know, me no care me and mommy here go dress up.
The way your rank and face.
When you have to beg nigga to do nothing for your whole world no.
The way your rank and face, you can do everything for
What
yourself.
to me?
Today and Sunday.
Give me
and me tell you say me have cook chicken foot.
That not fit go on in a Sunday yeah.
And that me feel
I asked Taylor curry mutton
no,
to come
me
eat.
eat oxtail and curry goat yesterday.
With vegetable on the side we look good.
Me still eat it, right? Me still eat it. Me eat what me can afford. Me eat what me want, what me feel for. I find me there. When you come over me yard today, I stress me for. Come share the food.
Me say last night, me and the girl left on chat I come home. So me hear Ayo ask me say, tell me something. I agree, then I agree up so? So me say to Ayo Sim say yes. Here Ayo, Jesus Christ, me have to go call Dana. Me say I go to can do all I agree here then before she bury them, me a friggin' idiot yo. Me say,
yeah. So how she don't call me about them?
Me say to me cuss her, me say you damn fool yo.
You know, so what you me and say, oh, I don't call me. You know, so me and I not communicate like one time.
Yeah,
why I
you're the idiot now. Oh, you have to go call Dana. I said, I want to make you have to go call Dana.
I am a girl, you know, I know you over here and disrespect her. You know,
the grey here, then she have
she not have none.
No. I mean, every day you tell me, say me hold on you.
But I truth you all on me.
Me all on you enough of things are going for me more than we are going for you.
What one for you, where now one for me?
Me can still have baby, you can't have none.
Right.
Yes, me sure.
You can't have.
Me no want no car.
What?
You know what kind of little plate this Dana? Me can't even take out the food when I want to eat tonight.
You don't need more than one banana, one piece of
pumpkin. Now tell me
what
to eat, Dana.
You have 2 banana cook up in a plate, and you know yam
I want a roast thing for bed made and nothing.
Yeah.
I want a roast thing.
Yeah.
You know, I'm from morning and come and smaddy yard and beg them to son and give one baby plate. Me no want nobody limit me out to eat.
Well, can't put that on your yard.
Where's something when to take out this?
Can't put that on your yard.
Give me a little bit of piece here for cuss and carry on.
Me cook cabbage and saltfish and me cook chicken foot. You're going to tell me about you don't want a chicken foot. And I want to make people cuss we are firing. There's something you have to know, you know.
Yeah, I know it's a hot yo.
Yeah.
You don't want a chicken foot from a bike KFC?
Max, really, me know say you're not good smarty, you know. You take the whole of your wife nasty style. But it's alright. Me say it's alright.
When I cannot take film style.
No. You take the whole of your nasty style. Yeah, you must adapt your nasty style.
No.
Are you take film style? No.
Yeah, I mean take him style.
I broke me out in here.
No.
You need what?
But was very quiet and Max broke me out.
Look here, look at me, look here.
What would you have to start turning away? What do you have to do with that?
Yo!
If you check the background and the broken and
You know, say that, yeah, I told my friend, you know, my friend say, you
So
say your
yes,
father
sir.
a deacon.
You know, grow up in a
And here how you dirty and steer. Eh? Gotcha.
And where you go with cover dish?
To all, we're not going away to all the damn plate because the fat drop straight out of you. And me never see nothing go say it from me.
Hello, me just take that one plate, give you all you have to do is take what you want. You come over here like you think you have helper over here. You not have no helper over here.
One little
You don't have no helper. Last time I checked, you not have no helper over
here.
here.
Take a piece of that here then. I can't even get up again to go nothing.
Whenever me I go get here, you're not going to eat it today. You're too feisty, you're not no man.
Inside yet, I'm home but I'm not in here.
Okay, can I go inside? I'm not going to do nobody answer.
Nobody's home, that's why, yeah, you can.
Okay.
I wish man that you said in your house.
I set up here for me not feel. I can't get up from that food here. Oh, so she have it. You're Max now? May I feel good when I'm done for this, girl?
Your favor been on what me said. You're too licky. What day you come over here with your collar look? You carry the collar look and give me, you know, say Max not there. And you come in at one piece, go and give me a look of color look, and then you turn around and I tell me, say, if you did know, say Max there, you would have carried the color look and give me. I know you come over here want me to give you food. Make Max give you food.
Somebody can get her.
You cook.
We can't just take it out.
You don't cook or you go give her food.
That is true, yes, I can get it.
You can't get it.
You cook?
Okay. No matter who cook.
Excuse me?
The plate look like, say, I want rubbish. She told me I have to dump up everything on top here, so. The food not look good in my plate.
The thing is this, you nyam what you get. Nyam what you get.
You're the animal.
Yes, nyam what you get.
That's why I have to call you for bury your grey hair. I'm saying condolences. Fool! Me never talk good and I come home and don't care. Wait, me say turn up on social media. You should have put something in her ear. Me say no, Ayo, she grew up. She grew up so? Lord Jesus, me have to go call her.
I don't think so. I see something wrong with that.
Yo! I can't be better.
So me say, are you here to tell her condolences to the grey hair? Here, move on with your favorite fart.
Are you want
It's
me
good?
here? I don't know, brother. I don't drink them something. I don't know, honey. I don't know what it smell like. When you shake it like that, it smell like it's sour. But me don't know the taste.
That's so much foolishness. Just chat. You tell me about my answer. I don't drink none either. But I'm good while it's in there.
I don't know.
Oh, you have to buy some,
Expired
Max?
date. Let me
When
buy
expired
it.
date?
I'm going to buy them something to put in there.
See it in there, let me buy it.
You
When
can't see the
expired
date.
date?
You see the date?
See if we can see it. I'll help.
You know, for wear no glass.
True.
I guess that's right.
Max, come on.
Yeah, I'll help.
2023, man.
You're old people, you can't wear your glass.
But even if this year in November, it's not supposed to spoil already.
Listen, at 2023, say, man, it's not supposed to spoil.
Damn thing, covers.
Curry chicken food with food in a Sunday.
I don't know one, Jersey. And you should have cooked at your yard.
Wow.
You should have cooked at your yard and not come over here for no food if you didn't know, say.
Clean it up.
Let me start on you in here.
I'm hungry, Max.
Yes, and then I clap it up and I find fault. Same you can't
I'm
dance
not
satisfied.
fault, you know, me just say.
What's that?
You can't find fault. You just say curry food after you're done class and you're ready, you come
So why
back.
is that 2023 panic? You try to mix somebody mix it, put in there?
No. Nobody not mix it. I Junior buy it. Or Chevron, one of them.
It's a 2023. So then I want to your phone with me, I call you from work and me
It did a on silent and I never know. I was very busy. You have time for phone, darling.
That's when I watch a YouTube on.
Yeah, but
take picture and that's it.
not that phone. It's about picture?
What you say?
Say not at all, Auntie Grace.
What you mean I say that?
No, me say not at all.
You know to say it's a fake.
You're gay or you know?
No man, I like thread.
You're gay.
If you know should have married to me, we all have you know me, I can never marry to me.
No, I'm not gay.
You know should have met me book you out?
I am not gay.
You know should have met me bring you in here?
Nobody can influence me.
Uncle say a while ago.
Did I hear you? They say I'm great to be at the attention.
Auntie Grace, your uncle say come on.
Ask him.
Uncle say?
You don't believe that? Who no cause sister?
I would not confess so.
You don't believe that she gay? Oh. Who
Oh.
not cause me so if she gay? Chandele.
You whisper in the lab, man.
You're right.
Where we are whisper for?
Got it there.
After who no shame. I'm there look hard. Boy.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Let me have more pear.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody want to pure. Where's Sharon there? In there?
No. Come.
Can I drink from that?
No, sir, from me come on, come and see you coming up.
You
ever see you
What's that? My favorite drink from is it?
Me too.
You do?
More juke plum. I last time look it up and see juke plum, then they know about you.
Really?
Yes. Just last
You
night.
sure you?
No.
The two plum not there from me come
Angela,
America.
see if you can curb something for you.
They must show you how you can plant the tree.
Show them.
Maybe over Florida.
Over Florida, yes, I Florida the seed themselves.
See?
Cause them did have the Florida, the foreign one, them at Jamaica. Them short, them grow short. They not gonna grow over here. If you plant them, you maybe that have to plant them April and them May. I don't know how long them.
I know them said
How long it take for grow?
well, on the website, when I look upon them, say it take a year and a meal in a summer. Them say.
Yeah.
No, it want warm temperature.
Yeah.
No, over here. I know, because you know, it's Thanksgiving.
Auntie, oi. Just ask you now, anyway.
Mr. Price.
I'm going next year, where I do.
Survive. I'm gonna miss you.
Nice, you came for
Wrong everybody.
Come here, we take a picture.
Yeah, come on.
no picture, I see?
No, we can't take this. Come right this.
No picture, yeah?
What do you that one?
You just always have said them somewhere there. You think everybody have strong stomach?
From
No one cares so much, don't you?
No, I think it's what you are eat.
Ain't no trouble, me.
Alright.
Yes, the work what they do.
It's just always
As
just
the light.
I mean that too, me have to go up on my side because the
yeah, man, for Friday now, what it's up.
Really? From Friday, you look.
Mom, you know your son. You not do them someday at public places.
Yo!
That's a more when they
That
survive.
young with you.
That's a more when they survive.
Oh, you not come in the evening time now?
No. No, when you go in, just go for the weekend. Like Friday and come back.
I take two to eat that chicken foot and
You just dung in at the chicken foot where you have bam rush sauce. Thank you for telling me some of chicken foot tastes nice. But, boy, you come over here class.
But we never want it, we did want oxtail.
Your money, if you want oxtail, you think you're free?
Max, me
That's
say,
how we do mean grace.
you broke out, you know?
Mm-mm.
And then we do mean. It means that now they cook it in our mind instead of going.
Right.
Oh,
No.
me there work, me do a double on Saturday.
Unless food left over.
Yeah, food is left over. But nothing, not even a rice, man.
The time gone.
Thank God. Thank you, man, of course.
So you say put my in my freezer.
Yeah. Duh. Me not no space over here.
You not that big old fridge there?
Yeah. I go in my fridge very often and I can't take nothing crowded up.
What you
Sometimes
do?
Sometimes I just want to dash with some wine in there. I can't bother for you dig up, and you know what, I'm to fix it we are December. Please keep your arm in your fridge all your day. You have a fridge over there, you don't have nothing in there empty like a what?
You're disgrace.
So you do. See what you do me here.
You're disgrace. You hear that?
See what you do me here first. Nobody now listen to you. You can't tell them. Nobody now
Auntie
come to
Gracie,
you.
me now killing them now.
Good. Not a soul now come to your rescue. You're too feisty.
Auntie Gracie, I found a roll.
Disgrace.
Too feisty. Nobody now come to your rescue.
Disgrace can't done.
You already you slap me left, right and center. Me have to shut me mouth. But I feel me time take it.
Disgrace can't done. Pretty big auntie like.
Something in the fridge, but you want to ham fry no better come pack up in my fridge. Yeah, over your yard.
So I put the heat up on 64. You see, if you go in there, put the what?
64? She brighty. You know what you tell you?
Man, we're never change it. She
You know
alright.
what is?
What?
This. Sweet potato?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Man, change it.
But 63, that's why she don't want.
64, she have it pan. And I know summertime, right?
No. So crazy. 73 is the lowest you have your eating, huh? Remember when you used to offer me
So I
some
care at 73 to make it stay.
She crazy. She rude. Like, she don't want to pay bills. I collect money.
Now she a collect her rent, I mean, no war. We don't war. You know when you have to go chicken foot, they get one more.
Yes, Auntie Gracie.
Really?
Now, see, nigga, shut up your mouth. A tree may take out.
Jesus. You realize
Not
that?
because it tastes good, I may take one.
I-
Shut up your mouth, man.
I took on a chicken foot, me cook. Eh? You
Where
come
you
over
buy
here with
2 pound for?
your hungry
Me
belly.
never tell us, me I come for little dinner.
So, I thought I'm going to buy it today. I have it in my fridge.
You should have buy more because you know me I come.
So much left me yard.
And everybody eat enough inside here. And when we pass on, we eat enough.
I will accept. What you're not saying, Papa Jesus.
And as me done, me gone and me yard.
I thought you do every day in your mango. That's all you do.
I saw it go, yo.
Who don't have yard a bad?
Me I go do it now. Me not reach in yet. Me reach home, but me not reaching at the yard yet. She give me one spoon, it must be less than I see. Yeah, mama get you something.
I seem to recall it.
Can I care about?
Wild place.
Angela?
Scorer.
Hard to forget.
She made me buy some saltfish.
Well, sure. Pick yourself
She not cooking us, so she don't know where to buy. Now we stop by box saltfish, you know what they say they have a saltfish and buy it at $10. I'm gonna pay $10 for the
I
3
buy about
ingredients.
saltfish long time now. Canadian saltfish, man.
That's saltfish, yeah. The one with the 9 box around there? Down at Tropical Sun?
Yeah, but it have to say Canadian. The one closer to the pig still, and that are the day one I do have a Jamaica.
Oh, that little black looking one there?
The one with the right side of the pig still them
Yeah.
are Canadian
That good, Auntie
saltfish.
Gracie?
Yeah, man.
Anytime you buy saltfish, and that you get, you have to buy. When I buy them back saltfish, they are snake them. Me just come here, me never know better, but as soon as me find out, that was it.
I ain't not telling me now. Buy it,
I
right?
thought you know.
Straight back one name.
Which part them they come from? If you look for them, I think of China.
Sitting there, come give me. I'm going to start going in a Ziploc bag and shake it up.
You're cooking like a food?
Wednesday morning, give you breakfast. The one day me get off, me cook breakfast, carry come give you. And you're there home 7 days a week. Look for you.
No, sir.
Eh?
Take back your food.
You know, sister, me have a nice friend.
Take back a little bit where you can't come give me. You can't a little bit come give me. Wake me up out of my bed.
In a bed. And me call her you up. Me carry breakfast come give you. And she there home 7 days a week. And the one day me there home me cook breakfast, get up early, carry come here. No, my husband should be. You love video.
No. You can imagine? She carried a little breakfast, ackee and fried bread food come give me this morning and I done me. She give me the little food and come in at me out this morning and trace me. Cause she carry a little bit of come give me.
You can do better, man.
No, sir. I hear my husband over there about me for give him the food cause if I did me. Listen, me for give what?
Because if I did him somebody a cuss him, I just give him wife.
What me for do?
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it?
If somebody give food and a cost us, don't eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She carry fried bread food?
You not eat it. Basically, my food and a cost us, but just take
Me not cuss you so what they me and give me call me tell you say care call from Jamaica you have it over here, wife it over here, me have none. But me I give you my one cause me not do that.
Yeah, for eating.
Yeah. But if you not cost us, somebody else care cost us, but save them.
That I never there here. Me not see my plate you know. I give and I give away my plate with food.
Yeah, me always like to eat food.
Lord Jesus and Max is to be believed.
Well, think later we carry back over here. Me get Angela food in there over there.
That too. I want cracker plate me give him.
Oh, it's a cracker plate.
Yeah. And it covered down so with the fork and I'll slip him back
What color
up.
is the top?
White.
The top, the cover, what color?
White.
It in there you could not look.
You can't look where me not put down sis.
I don't remember seeing a cracker plate, but
Are you alone and you have the breakfast?
I mean, I don't want to charge the breakfast come.
Me never know.
Take it back and get to Max, cause I that you want to do.
Me never know in there.
Take it back. Nobody want you. Take it back.
Oh, when you near me with your big mouth.
Keep your dirty food, cause you carry over here. And then you ask me for me alone, like you carry belly full. You never know say Max there.
No, me never know send it there.
And you carry one little... Wait,
Tell them for white up there tonight. No one know that.
lie you a tell. No matter how me play up in there, you still are going to eat it.
You don't want to know.
Stop show off.
Pull up tonight and I chat over. Pull up tonight, let them know.
Angela, me chat with you, you know.
You're such a badass. Angela get chocolate. I feel me chocolate.
No, she carry from Jamaica.
Chocolate bowl. When you look who said they don't want none of the food, where me I spit up in it. What you want grab down in there? I show you know how me want get you for the camera. Grab down in the food where it say me I spit up up. So you know, I boy, they don't want none of the food because you are chat over it. No, me don't. No, me don't. Me don't. Me not run water. Me not stark and spit. Me not talk over.
Why do you think them people we are master of COVID? Sit down with everybody more.
No spit not that for me.
You know, see?
That's why me not talk like that.
You?
Me don't. Alright, come put mask by my mouth and see. I have water mouth. I have nice fresh breath.
Yeah, I have water mouth. Sit down with everybody more. Just to see. At times.
You say I eat my mouth water.
Alright, go now. That's quiet.
You say I eat up my mouth water about me and spit up over food. No, sir.